Yo, what is up everybody? It's Dara, and let's just jump right into it. Today we're talking about building a business around something a lot of you are probably passionate about. Video editing and production. That's right, turning your love for video into cash. Look, video is everywhere. It's how we consume information, entertain ourselves, and connect. Businesses need compelling video content to stay relevant. So if you're ready to ditch that 9-to-5 and become your own boss, hit that subscribe button because we're about to break down how to make your video editing dreams a reality. Alright, first things first, let's define what video editing and production actually is. At its core, it's about taking raw footage and turning it into something awesome. We're talking about cutting clips, adding music, graphics, sound effects, you name it. It's about storytelling with moving pictures and sound. This could be for a YouTube video, a corporate training video, a wedding video, a music video, you name it. The demand for this stuff is insane. Businesses need content for their social media, ads that convert, and individuals, influencers, musicians, YouTubers, all vying for views and subscribers. You don't need a film degree to get started. Passion, dedication, and a good eye for detail will take you a long way. So you're pumped about getting into the video editing game, but you might be wondering, what exactly can I offer? Well, let me tell you, the world of video editing is vast and full of opportunities. My friend, the possibilities are pretty much endless, but let's break it down into some key areas to get you started on the right foot. First up, you've got your bread and butter video editing. This is the core skill that every video editor needs to master. This is where you take someone's raw footage and you work your magic. You transform it into a compelling story or a polished final product. You cut, you trim, you add transitions, you color correct, you make it sing. Every frame counts, and your job is to make sure it all flows seamlessly. Then there's video production, which is a whole other beast. This involves a lot more planning and coordination. This is where you're involved in the entire process from start to finish, from coming up with the concept and shooting the footage to editing it all together. It's a comprehensive approach that requires a diverse skill set. You can specialize in creating social media videos, corporate videos, or event videos. Each type has its own unique style and requirements. You can even niche down further and focus on music videos, animation, drone videography, live streaming, the list goes on. Each niche offers its own set of challenges and rewards. The key is to figure out what you're most passionate about and what you're good at, and then go after it with everything you've got. Your passion and dedication will set you apart in this competitive field. Okay, now let's talk about the tools of the trade. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, having the right equipment and software is essential for creating high-quality videos. If you're serious about this video editing thing, you're going to need some gear. The right tools can make a huge difference in your workflow and the final product. But don't worry, it doesn't have to break the bank. There are plenty of budget-friendly options available that still deliver great results. Start with what you can afford and upgrade as you go. As you gain more experience and your needs grow, you can invest in more advanced equipment. A decent camera is crucial. It's the foundation of your video production. It doesn't have to be a Red or an Alexa, but something that shoots high-quality footage. DSLRs and mirrorless cameras are great starting points. You'll also need editing software. This is where the magic happens, turning raw footage into a polished final product. Adobe Premiere Pro and Final Cut Pro are the industry standards, but there are plenty of other options out there. Software like DaVinci Resolve and HitFilm Express are also excellent choices. Good audio can make or break your videos, so invest in a decent microphone. Clear sound is just as important as clear visuals. And don't forget about lighting. Proper lighting can enhance the quality of your video significantly. Good lighting can make a world of difference. It can set the mood and highlight important details. A simple lighting kit can go a long way. Even a few well-placed lights can transform your setup. If you're feeling fancy, you can get a green screen setup for those epic background replacements. This can add a professional touch to your videos. And if you're planning on doing any motion graphics or animation, you'll need software like After Effects. This can help you create stunning visual effects. Start small, build your kit gradually, and before you know it, you'll have a professional setup ready to tackle any project. Remember, it's not just about the gear, but how you use it. Alright, so you've got your skills, you've got your gear, but who are you going to unleash this creative genius on? That's right, we're talking about your target audience. Instead of trying to be everything to everyone, figure out who your ideal client is. Are you all about helping businesses connect with their customers? Or maybe you're passionate about giving influencers and content creators the edge they need to stand out from the crowd. Okay, let's talk about the part you've all been waiting for, making that sweet, sweet cash. The most common way is charging an hourly rate or a project-based fee. But as you gain experience and build a reputation, you can start thinking about other revenue streams. Retainer agreements are a great way to secure recurring income. This is where a client pays you a set amount each month in exchange for a certain number of videos or editing hours. Packages are another popular option. You can offer different packages based on the client's needs and budget. And if you're feeling really ambitious, you can even create a subscription model. This is where clients pay a monthly fee to access exclusive content, tutorials, or even one-on-one coaching from yours truly. Diversifying your revenue streams is key to building a sustainable business. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. So you've got the skills, the gear, and the pricing down pat, but how do you actually find clients? How do you make sure your talents don't go unnoticed in a crowded market? How do you stand out in a sea of other talented video editors? It's a challenge, but not an insurmountable one. Well, my friend, that's where marketing comes in. Effective marketing can be the key to unlocking new opportunities. First things first, you need a website. This is your digital home base. Think of it as your online storefront. It's where people will come to learn about you and your services. It's the first place potential clients will go to check you out. So make sure it looks good and showcases your best work. A well-designed website can make a lasting impression. And don't forget about social media. Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, these are all powerful tools for connecting with potential clients and showing off your skills. Regular updates and engaging content can keep you on their radar. Share behind-the-scenes glimpses of your process, offer tips and tutorials, or even create short films or music videos just for fun. These can showcase your creativity and attract attention. And never underestimate the power of networking. Go to industry events, connect with other creatives, and don't be afraid to reach out to potential clients directly. A personal touch can go a long way. Remember, building a successful business is all about relationships. Cultivate them, and your business will thrive. Look, let's be real for a minute. Starting any business is tough, and video editing is no exception. You're going to face challenges, but it's how you overcome those challenges that will set you apart. One of the biggest hurdles you might encounter is the initial investment. Cameras, software, lighting, it can add up quickly. But remember, you don't need to buy everything at once. Start with the essentials and gradually upgrade as you earn more money. Another challenge is competition. There are a lot of talented video editors out there, so you need to find a way to differentiate yourself. This could be through your niche, your style, your pricing, or even your personality. Managing multiple projects and deadlines can also be a challenge, especially when you're first starting out. But hey, that's where good organization and time management skills come in. Alright, so you've got a steady stream of clients, you're producing awesome work, and you're ready to take things to the next level. But how do you actually scale your video editing business? Well, one option is to hire additional staff. This could be another editor, a motion graphics artist, or even an assistant to help with the day-to-day tasks. Having a team allows you to take on more projects and grow your business faster. You can also expand your service offerings. If you've been focusing solely on editing, why not offer production services as well? Or you could specialize in a particular type of video, such as animation or drone videography. And of course, you can always expand your client base. If you've been working primarily with local businesses, why not target national or even international clients? Remember, scaling a business is a marathon, not a sprint. Now I know what you're thinking. This all sounds great, Dara, but show me the proof. Are there people actually making a living doing this? You bet there are. And to prove it, I want to share a quick case study with you. Meet Sarah, a freelance video editor who turned her passion for storytelling into a thriving business. Sarah started small, taking on any editing gigs she could find. She built up her portfolio, honed her skills, and eventually started specializing in creating social media content for small businesses. She niched down, focused on a specific target audience, and absolutely crushed it. Sarah's story is a testament to the fact that with hard work, dedication, and a whole lot of hustle, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. So there you have it, folks. That's the blueprint for launching and growing your very own video editing business. We've covered a lot of ground, from understanding the ins and outs of video editing and production, to identifying your target audience, setting up your business, and marketing your services. We talked about the essential equipment you'll need, the importance of building a strong portfolio, and how to set competitive rates. Remember, the video editing industry is booming, and there's never been a better time to turn your passion into a profitable business. But most importantly, have fun with it. Video editing is a creative and rewarding field, so enjoy the ride and never stop learning. That's a wrap. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you're serious about taking the leap and starting your own video editing business, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more business ideas and tips. And don't be shy. Let me know in the comments down below what questions you have. What are you struggling with? What are you most excited about? Until next time, peace out.